Let me be honest with you. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a budget problem. If you earn money but you are always broke before the month ends, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Kindly subscribe and like this video. Today, I'm going to teach you budgeting for beginners in a very simple way that anyone can understand. No big grammar, no complicated calculations, just real life sense. Someone will ask, what is a budget? Let's start from the beginning. A budget is a simply telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Budgeting means planning how you will spend your money before you even receive it. Many people fail with money because they spend first and plan later. They buy what they want before taking care of what they need, and that's why salaries finish quickly. Now, the first step in budgeting is knowing exactly how much you earn. This includes your salary, side hustle income, business profit, any extra money you receive, and everything together. Let's say you earn 1,500 Ghana cedis per month. Next, write down everything you spend on your rent, the food you normally buy, transportation, data and airtime, utility bills, church or mosque contribution, family support, entertainment. Nothing is too small to write down. Now listen carefully. Needs are things you must pay to survive. Wants are things you can live without. Food is a need. Eating out every day is a want. Transport is a need. Uber every day is a want. Once you understand this, budgeting becomes easy. Here is a beginner or friendly rule you can start with. 50% for needs, 30% for savings and investment, 20% for wants. If your income is 1,500 Ghana cedis, 750 Ghana cedis goes to needs, 450 Ghana cedis go to savings, 300 Ghana cedis goes to wants. Adjust it to fit your reality, but always save something. This part is very important. Saving is not what is left after spending. Saving is what you remove before spending. The moment you receive money, save first. Even if it's 5 Ghana cedis or 10 Ghana cedis, save first. If you don't track your money will disappear quietly. Use a notebook, a phone note, or a budgeting app. Write down what you spend every day. Let me tell you common mistake beginners make. 1. Budgeting without discipline. 2. Copying other people's lifestyle. 3. Not adjusting when income changes. 4. Giving up too quickly. Budgeting is a habit, not magic. Budgeting doesn't mean suffering, it means freedom. When you control your money stops controlling you. Start small, be consistent, and stay disciplined. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and tell me what is your biggest money challenge. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.